First one introduce kurani p miyadu. Furattama miyaduge wahaka aduwa halama.
Paul likes to visit the city zoo near his home. His favorite animal there is the polar bear. The polar bear has big paws for paddling in the pool, says the zookeeper. It is Paul's birthday soon and his mother asks if he would like a teddy bear as his present. Paul thinks about this and says that he would prefer a polar bear. When his birthday arrives, Paul's friends Peng, Pavlo and Pet come to his party. They all play games and eat the party food, pineapple, pizza and popcorn. Paul's mother gives Paul his present. He unwraps the paper to find a perfect toy polar bear. Then Paul's mother produces a cake with purple icing. She has put 3 candles on the cake. Every time Paul blows out a candle, it lights up again. He tries to puff out the candles, but they keep relighting. Everyone laughs and claps and tries to puff out the candles.
Miwahaka fa halivdane kibe Paul ge cake gahuri candles ta nuniweni. Den kihinenge emmen hedi. Mika sual koggen e adu kujja labba nereveto balamman. Pa miaduge harakataki ubbati nivvan fume gota angan atuge shahadengiya fumemun p kiyun. Tibefrono spahangwane fadan komme harakatevves mionnani wahakaya adi lavayaves guluwafa. Sawabaki kudinnan eki goggotun adu handanko echchaka guluwalan faseha koddino. Misalaka pa miyadu mi guluwalani ubbattiya fumuma. Ehen kamun miyakuru fenumun kudinna handanwane mi ekkala ubbatti fumeiru anna adukan. Jollyphonska huriha adevves genestifa hunnani migota. Pa miyaduge lavayaki mi.
Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Den midakkalani pa miyaduge akuru liyago. Migota liyamwago number jaha fahurumun kudinna fasehawane furutama liyamwi akuruge komba ekkan deneganna. Adi belenivriya kiya de iruves abadues balamwane migotatto kujjaliyani. Den akuru vagitere liyumaffahu veligaves liyuvvidane nuata clay beanukoggen akuru haddale vidane. Pa miyaduge furatama activity yaka parrot ga kula jassani. Efahu migota mibasta kiyuvwane. P I T pit. P A T pet. T A P tap. T I P tip. දෙපාර නුවත තින්පාරු බස්තක් කියුවිදාන. තින්වන ඇක්ටිවිටි එක මිෆෙන්න තස්වීරු තවගේ තෙරෙන් ප මියඩු නෙත් තස්වීරු ෆාහංගකෝ ඒ තස්වීරුක නුබෑ ෆාහංග ලාන්දේනි. ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ නොකොವ್ವೆಸ್ ಮಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಹೆದ್ದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎಗುತಂ ಹದ್ದಾನಮ ಹಮ ಮಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕುದಿನ ದೆಕ್ಕುಮಫಾವು ಪ ಮಿಯಡು ನೆ ತಸ್ವೀರು ಪಾಹಂಕೊಫ ದಕ್ಕಂ ಬುಣವಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮಿ ತಸ್ವೀರು ಫೆನ್ನನಿ ಪೆಂಡ ಫೆದ ಪೈ ಅದಿ ಪೆನ್ ಪ ಮಿಯಡು ನೆತಿ ಫೆದಗ ಎಂಕಮು ನುಬಾಫಾಹಗ ಲಾಂವಾನಿ ಫೆದಗ ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಫಾವು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ එක ಅಡುತ ಕಿಯುವಮು ಮಿ ಅಕುರುತ ಲಿಯುವಾನೆ.